Discovered an RHL audio file from EdgeSounds music production tools? These are specialized audio files used in professional sound design workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these EdgeSounds RatHole audio files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful RHL troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. RHL files are audio files created by EdgeSounds RatHole, a sound design and audio production utility. They contain audio sample data along with metadata processing parameters and effect chains used in professional sound design, music production, and game audio development workflows. RHL files use EdgeSounds proprietary format, storing audio data with sample rate channel configuration, bit depth, and embedded processing parameters. The structure includes effect chain definitions, modulation settings, and audio metadata following the EdgeSounds RatHole application's documented audio file specification. Your application default for RHL should ideally be RatHole from EdgeSounds LLC. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows can handle basic playback for most audio files, but advanced editing still requires dedicated audio software. For guaranteed results, right-click your RHL file and select Open With. Use RatHole first if it's on your PC. If it's missing, try another application. Finding the perfect reader can take a few attempts. If your RHL file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Because the RHL format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, opening an EdgeSounds RatHole. Launch the EdgeSounds RatHole application and open the RHL file directly. The software displays the audio content with all embedded effects and processing parameters, enabling playback editing and modification of the sound design within the originating production environment. Next, converting to standard audio. Use RatHole's export functionality to convert RHL files to standard audio formats, like WAV, MP3, or FLAC, for use in other digital audio workstations. This enables integration with mainstream audio production software while preserving the processed audio output created in the EdgeSounds environment. Finally, importing into DAW. After conversion to standard format, import the audio into your preferred digital audio workstation like Pro Tools, Logic Pro, or Ableton Live. The converted audio integrates seamlessly with mainstream music production workflows for further mixing arrangement and final production. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.